Looking for ceiling fans? Here's Amazon Prime Day deals just for you. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Hunter Fan Company. Amazing Prime Day deal. Number 2, another great product by Hunter Fan Company. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Emerson. Number 3, shop for Amazon Prime special deals. Number 4, our editor choice. Number 5, by Hunter. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 6, by Emerson. Don't miss these great Prime Day deals. Click this link now. Number 7. Available now on Amazon. Number 8, by Brown. For more info, click the link below. Number 9. Check the link below for exclusive Amazon Prime prices.